Hello guys, welcome to my channel Love to Learn. Today I want to discuss about Stream API in Java 8. First of all, what is a stream? Java provides a new additional package in Java 8 called java.util.stream. Okay, and actually don't store element, just conveys from a source such as IO channel or through a computational operations. Okay, and we can use stream to filter, collect, print and connect from one data structure to another. And today in this video, now I want to discuss some scenarios. Okay guys, before going to programmatical implementation, I want to show you something. Yeah, normally it is the flow. These are the intermediate operation. This is terminal operation. This is stream source. You can simply say that here the stream source are like list, set and maps. Okay guys, and these are some intermediate operations. You can have many number of intermediate operations, and now again I will show them. And terminal operations. In terminal operations we have for each collect like that. Okay, and now what is intermediate operation? Normally in a stream, 0 or more intermediate operation are allowed. And guys, you can observe here the flag, map, skip, limit, any match, distinct. These are the intermediate operations. And terminal operation. In terminal operation we have many types: collect, count, max and reduce. Okay guys, I think you guys got it. Let's go. I'm creating a list here. I'm naming it as li and new array list. Let's import them, import these packages, and let's add some elements to it. Okay, and now let's start implementation of streams. Okay, I said to you I'll explain streams using conditions. Now wait, I'll show you how to do it. Okay, now I'm filtering them. What I'm filtering, I am taking a condition like I want to print only even numbers. Okay guys, now I'm taking n as a reference. Now I want to print which elements are even only. Okay, and let's run the application now. Guys, you can in my list 2 and 4 are even elements, so my 2 and 4 are printed. Okay, I think you guys got it. And here now I'll explain the code. Okay. Yes, it is nothing but it is a stream. It returns only the sequence as stream, and we can simply call it as source. Okay, and filter. What is a filter? Means it matches the given predicate, means it matches the given condition and returns the values which matches to our conditions only. And you guys already know what is this for each loop in Java 8, and here I use method reference. Guys, if you don't know lambda expressions or method reference or for each loop, please go to comment section. Please go to description. You will find links for videos of lambda expression, method reference and all. Okay, and now this one is completed. Now I want to convert list to set. Okay, new hash set. Now let's import these packages. Okay, now I want to add this set values of the list, stream dot, and I want to add values which is equal to my particular conditions. Okay, I can add directly, but I am taking a condition here. Okay, collectors dot to set. Okay, how I want to know whether the elements are added from list to set or not? I use for each loop for that. Okay. Let's run the application. Okay guys, you can observe here I am getting 2 4 again because these elements are added into set. I'll do one thing. For avoiding confusion, I will comment this and let's run the application again. Okay, again we are getting 2 4 because the list elements are added to set. Okay, suppose I want to add the elements without any condition. Okay, I'm taking no condition, just I am directly adding list elements to set elements. Let's print now. Okay, my all elements are added. Okay, and list to set also completed, and set to list. Let's assume like I took a list like il equal to and now I want to add elements from set to list. Okay, now I am commenting all this. Il equal to st dot stream dot collect collector dot to list. Okay, I'm getting some problem here. Let's see it. What is it? Okay, sorry. And let's print these values now. Okay, now I'm replacing second list here. Yeah, you can observe I just printed this list values only, but I'm getting 1 2 3 4 means from our set to list elements are also added. Okay, this all are completed. Now yeah, converting set to list on based on conditions. Yep, I will show you this one too. Suppose I want to add only even values from set to list. Okay guys, yes, you can observe here only even numbers are added. So this one also completed, and my incomplete scenario is iterating the map values. Let's do it. and let's import these packages here. Now I want to add some elements to this map reference. One and Anil. Okay. Two. Love to learn. Okay. Now I want to print this using stream. Stream dot okay, sorry, I made a mistake here. First of all, when you are taking a map, you have to define entry set first, because it returns the elements in map as set values to, like, view of set of mappings to our stream. You can't iterate the elements in map as list and set direct. We have to write entry set. Okay, and for each of I'm taking k comma v as reference. And now I want to print them. mp dot entry set, okay, dot stream dot for each system dot out dot println I dot get key I dot get value. Okay, now I want to run this application and want to see. Guys, you can observe here when I am entering the set to the stream, my values I1, Anil and 2 without learner printing. I think you guys got it. And I covered all the scenarios I mentioned. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.